Dan, right before he came up, we were about to talk about these mortgage with all the prices and everything that's happening, and then the pessimism in the market, quote unquote pessimism, according to, it depends on what poll you're looking at. Then you would think that buyers are going to be pulling back, right? But what's actually happening?
So a brief drop in mortgage interest rates sent some buyers rushing to their lenders to see if they could get any savings. So that sent total mortgage applications. So these are, I mean, we've always talked about rate sensitivity on the show. And what we've really noticed is that refis are very, very, like they're watching, they're waiting, all right, cool. I'm at 3.8%. Oh, they went down to 3.5. I'm going to go check, you know what I mean? But that sent total mortgage application volume up 2.1% last week from the previous week, according to the Mortgage Makers Association. The average contract interest rates for a 30-year fixed rate mortgage with conforming loan balances decreased to 3.11. By the way, I thought they were going to just keep going up and up and up and up and up. Right. You know what I mean? But that's down from 3.18. That is the lowest rate since February, and it's 32 basis points lower than 1 year ago. So they hadn't hit all-time lows yet. As a result, applications to refinance a home, remember not purchased, which have been weak lately, increased 3% for the week, but we're still 12% lower than a year ago, according to the MBA's seasonally adjusted index. The decline, and this is a quote from, let's see, who is this? This is Joel Kahn. This is my favorite every week. I don't even care what the article is, as long as he has a quote in the article. I'm doing it. The decline in rates helped. This is a quote from the man himself. The decline in rates helped the refinance index reach its highest level in 8 weeks, driven by a 4% increase in conventional refinances. He goes on to say, additionally, refinance loan balances increased for the 4th straight week, an indication that higher balance borrowers acted to take quick advantage of lower rates. And then I always like to make this final note from these articles, but mortgage demand from home buyers rose just 1% for the week. So that kind of sucks, right, Ray?
Yeah, I mean, it's just 1%, but it was still what?
But it was 13% higher than a year ago.
Now, keep in mind, last year, and I think we said this earlier in the show, there was this little U, and the U was the number of showings dropped drastically in April and started to climb again in May. And now we are towards the end of May. We should start seeing more mortgage applications.
It's going to be May.
Contract. And so we'll see how the year-over-year comparison is. But this year, it's just going to be a weird annual year-over-year comparison, and we're probably going to say that every week because it seems like there was just a delay in what was happening in the market, and then it shot off. And so I don't know. It's going to be weird.